Have you recently received a text saying your parking charge is overdue? Be careful. This could be part of a growing park mobile notice scam that's tricking people across the UK. At first glance, the message looks official. It mentions your vehicle, claims a parking fine is pending, and even includes a link that looks like it belongs to Park Mobile or DRP. But here's where the red flags start to appear. Many of these texts mention cars people never owned, contain small spelling mistakes, or demand an immediate payment of $170. That sense of urgency isn't a coincidence. It's designed to make you panic and pay without thinking. The fake payment links often lead to cloned websites that steal your personal and banking details the moment you enter them. Some people even reported data errors or being contacted about parking tickets from towns they've never visited. While the real Park Mobile app helps users pay for legitimate parking, scammers are exploiting its name to sound convincing. If you've received such a message, do not click the link and definitely don't pay anything. Instead, check directly with Park Mobile through their official app or website. A real fine will always have a verifiable reference number and usually arrives by mail, not an anonymous text. Cybersecurity experts have warned that these scams are becoming more sophisticated. Even the phone numbers can look local or genuine. So before reacting to any urgent fine message, pause and verify. Remember, scammers rely on fear and confusion. Stay alert, trust only official channels, and don't let these fake fines drain your hard-earned money. This isn't just about one message. It's a reminder to stay vigilant every time your phone buzzes with something that feels off.